What's up guys and welcome to an experience of a lifetime. We just got the official unboxing of probably the most futuristic phone on the planet right now, the Xiaomi Mi Mix Alpha 5G. This is how the experience will be if you actually pay $3,000 for this, such a unique product. It's been said that Xiaomi only made about 500 units of this phone, and it's gonna be available in December for $3,000. Considering all that, it's safe to say that most of us won't be able to get our hands on this device. So this really is a unique experience coming straight from Xiaomi. It comes in this huge box that has this Mix Alpha text on top. And as soon as you open the box, you get another box that opens like a door, revealing the Alpha card, which looks really good with that golden text. And have the futuristic monster itself touching the screen, the way it turns on, it just looks incredible. And then we have the back look of the device, which is even more awesome. A lot of people have questions about the durability and everything. Xiaomi has used the most premium materials out there, ceramic, titanium, to maximize its durability, and on top of that you do get a case out of the box. Now because it is so bezel-less, because it has a 180% something screen to body ratio, there is no need for a physical button. So everything is just gesture based, and the guy touches this key on the side, which I believe is an assistant. It opens up some menus and then he scrolls around. And in this shot, this is like the money shot. I just absolutely love the futuristic madness that is going on. The display goes completely curved and he just swipes his finger around to increase the volume. Turning the device around, we have this short control center look. We got the weather, we have other widgets on board, along with a triple camera setup. Now other than the phone, we get the usual stuff out of the box, the Type-C cable along with the 40 watts fast charger, a Type-C to 3.5mm converter, and then finally a special case just made for this beauty to protect it. It's like a book cover, so it's gonna cover both sides of the display, the curve and the back and the front. Honestly guys, if I can, I will definitely try my best to buy this phone, but this is what the experience is. If you actually go ahead and pay $3,000 for this phone, considering everything in this video, it really does live up to the hype. Again, only 500 phones and it's coming in December, so it's gonna be really exciting. And what's even more exciting is Samsung made 100 megapixel camera inside this phone. You can see in this shot, the clarity is just super duper amazing. And there's a huge chance that this camera could end up inside the Galaxy S11. Just for that reason, I'm actually super excited to try the camera on this thing. Again, we'll see the status of this phone in December, how widely available this is. But let me know your thoughts in the comment section below regarding the official unboxing, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.